Hi guys, welcome back. So today I thought I'd film April's nursery tour. One, because everyone wants to see it, and two, I really want to be able to look back and show her what her bedroom was like. So I'm going to try and remember where things are from. I hope you guys enjoy. So as you come in the door, this is what you see. I'll start with the first corner of the room. So you come in the door and straight here we have her changing table. So here we've got the changing mat that I got from Amazon. I really liked it because it's got these really high sides, and I just wanted that because I don't see the point in buying actual changing tables. She's gonna use a chest of drawers, you know, forever. But a changing table, you know, she's not going to be on it long. I then got one of these baskets. God, I can't remember where they're from. I think someone gave it to me. But I just put in her wipes, her nappies, some Sudocrem, some other nappy creams. And yeah, so I just keep all that on the table just so I can grab it really easy and stuff, you know. We got this Tigger teddy when April was first born by my auntie and uncle. And you know, it's got a picture frame in, so Sean decided to put a picture of our cat in the frame instead of the baby, so that was really sweet of him. But yeah, so that's there, and April bought some sunglasses, so he's wearing those as well because, well, why not? Then above the changing table, we've got, oh, these are my favourite things. These are the first things I bought April when we found out we was pregnant. They're from Amazon. I can try link them below. I don't know if they're still available, but yeah, they weren't very expensive. I think they was about 20 quid, and I am obsessed with them, and she absolutely loves them. She loves this one. She's always laughing at him when she's laying on the changing table, so yeah, they were really cute. On this side of the wall, so just above, she has her bookshelf. She's got way more books than this, but she just has so many, I've had to store them in her toy box because it just looked a complete mess. This plaque I had made for Sean's Father's Day, and I just got it. This lady makes them on Instagram, and oh my god, they're amazing. Some of her work is ridiculous, and this I think was only £18, and it's huge, like it's really big, and it has a little hook on the back, so if we want we can put it up, and I am thinking about putting it above the bookshelf, just in the middle, just so we have room for more books, but Sean's not too keen, but you know, that's a maybe. I don't know where we got these, but Sean's obsessed with Toy Story, so we had to put them in, really. So this was from Amazon. These little things, they're really cheap. You can actually just make them to yourself, but I really didn't have the time. It was like £1, so it's kind of worth it. She's got her books, and I tried to get ones that I really loved as a kid. This one actually was mine when I was a kid. I loved Spot, you know, Tiger Who Came to Tea was my bloody favourite. Most of these are from like Car Boots or My Baby Shower, and this one I had made for Sean's birthday, and it's just a personalised one, so it says April's name, it says Daddy, and it's just really sweet. And it wasn't too expensive either, so yeah, that was a really cute idea as well. So yeah, that's the bookshelf. So then in her drawers, I thought I'd just show you this as well, because when I was pregnant, I really wanted to see how people organised their baby stuff, because it's just so friggin' overwhelming. Like where do you put all this shit? I had no idea. So I've tried to do it as best as I can. It's not perfect, but I know where stuff is. Sean, you know, pretty much knows. He has a good idea. But yeah, so I thought I'd just quickly show you that. I always try to keep some spare nappies here, so if we run out in there, we don't have to go very far to get them. In here I just have some medicine that I need to keep like on standby out, ready for her if she needs it. We have some hand wipes for us. In here we've just got some like accessories, headbands and stuff. Then we have her socks, some hats, her bibs, So we keep her vests that she's currently wearing in there. I change them through as she grows into new ones. Behind here we've got some tights and stuff. And yeah, that's the first drawer. Then in the next drawer, these are the vests that she will be going into next. She's still in 0 to 3 vests at the moment, when she's in 3 to 6 onesies, because her feet are just so bloody big. But she will be in these 3 to 6 vests next. Then here we've got the 3 to 6 onesies that she is in now. Then we've got the 6 to 9 vests and the 6 to 9 onesies, which I need to get a couple more of, which is panicking me a little bit, but you know. And then in the bottom drawer, which is the biggest and the deepest, I just have some of her towels, some flannels, some like little washcloths. We have some cotton wool, all her muslins. There's some extra bubble bath and stuff like that in there. We've got some nappy sacks. We have some swimming nappies and her nappy bin refills thing. So yeah. Then I have this little elephant plaque hanging on her light switch. Also, I really wanted a dimmer switch for April's room because I just think it will come in handy when she's in here on her own and I need to creep in and I don't want to blind her with the lights, so I have that as well. Then we've just got her door, so if we come back this way, we have her wardrobe. This was actually here when we moved in, so I thought, well, what is the point in getting rid of it? We might as well keep it. It's a wardrobe, you know, it's handy. On here I made this little plaque with my mum and April on it from when we went on April's first holiday. On top of her wardrobe is pretty much a mess, but it's got her toy box on it there, and then this has just got a box of things that, you know, there's nowhere we can put them, so they're just up there. And her bouncer and her travel cot bag. So if we come in the wardrobe, again I thought I'd just show you this because it's bloody confusing. This wasn't actually a children's wardrobe, this was just a box standard wardrobe. So I just bought a extra pole from Amazon again, because I spend my life on there, and put it in the wardrobe myself. Got these little cards, again from Amazon, that just have the age groups, just so it's a little bit more organised. And then at the bottom of the wardrobe, we have April's keepsake box, a picture that needs to go on the wall at some point, but that's not for in here, so I don't know why it's in here, but you know. Then we just have a box of absolute shite. Sean insisted he buyed her some bubbles, so she's got bubbles. In this drawer, well, in this box, is all her bath stuff. And in this one, there's a tutu on top. Shoes and things, just things that she's a little bit too small for, but we still need to keep. So that's the wardrobe, and I've just come around this way and I've just hung some little over the door hooks on our wardrobe and put her jacket and her dressing gown on them. And then here is this little corner. And we have my record player, and we already have a record player in our lounge, so I thought this one would go pretty cute in here. So we have that on a little table that again was from Amazon. Then we have her armchair that was from IKEA. We have a pillow which I think was from like B&Q or something. I don't know, some like hardware store that you can get soft furnishings and stuff as well. This I think was from Amazon. I can't remember. April's granddad got her it, but I think it was from Amazon. Then on the wall we have these two little shelves, and I love these little shelves. They were just from the range. We have a mushroom money pot in here that mine and Sean's very first ever holiday to Amsterdam, we bought that from one of those little shops and it was really cute. We have Woody, obviously, and we have a little box that's like sentimental to Sean, so that's in there as well, and a little tiara which we found, so that's in there as well. Then over to this one, we have a bigger shelf, And the plant is fake, obviously, because don't give me real plants, I can't deal with that. But that's from Next. And then the A was just one of them cardboard ones from Hobbycraft, and I just painted it pink. In the top corner of her bedroom, she has a little hook coming from the ceiling, and it's just kind of like a little light catcher, and I was given that from work when I left to have April. So yeah, that's just in the corner, it's really cute. Over to her window, which you probably can't really see very well. We have a picture of me, Sean and April when we went to the zoo for Sean's birthday. We was then given these, and it's just got my first tooth and my first curl. And then this is actually a card we got given when April was born, and it is just too bloody cute to throw away. So we kept it, and it just sits on her windowsill. Then we have this wall. The wallpaper was ridiculously expensive. We just wanted cloud wallpaper because we kind of wanted to fit the Toy Story theme in here without it being Toy Story theme overload. So we found this. It was a mission to find just wallpaper that was grey and had clouds on. But then down here, oh, on the chair, the blanket is actually my baby blanket from obviously when I was a baby. Then we have April's really big teddies that there just isn't really a place for, so they're just kind of hidden down there. And underneath there's a little wicker basket, and that's just got her baby blankets and stuff, so that's hidden under there as well. And a little Buzz Lightyear over there as well. Then if we go above her bed, she has these prints, which I don't love, because in the description when I ordered them, they were from Etsy, and the girl who done them, it said in the description pink, but they are, I kind of feel like they're a really, really light lilac, and I just wanted a little pop of pink, you know, so I'm a little bit gutted with them, and I probably will change them eventually. Then we have her mobile, and then in her cot, which is full of stuff at the moment, but it isn't when she's actually in there. We have some more teddies that she was gifted. We had our 3D scan done. They gave us one of these as well. Obviously not for free, because that'd be too kind of them. Yeah, when you press its stomach, it has her heartbeat. Then we just have a cushion, which I think is from the Card Factory. This, I think, was Mama's and Papa's. We got the cot skirt from Amazon, but oh my god, I wouldn't recommend going on there. One, nowhere ever sells cot skirts anymore. And two, just don't get from Amazon. They're ridiculous. I had so much faff trying to get a bloody cot skirt. It's not worth it. Then we have this little machine over here that it just shines light into the room, and she is obsessed with that. It plays like white noise and stuff, so she really, really likes that. I don't really have much storage in the flat, so we really wanted a cot with the drawer underneath, so we got that, and we just hide all her wipes and spare nappies in there. So April just woke up, so she's come to join us. She's just gonna sit quietly on the chair though, aren't you? So then if you move down this way, she has her nappy bin, and then just away from the bin, on the floor, she has her playmat, which I think sadly is going to have to go soon as well, because she doesn't really use it anymore. She likes to be in her jumperoo, she likes to be in her walker, but I only got it off Facebook. I think it was like £10. So that, I think, is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helped and gave you some inspiration if you're expecting a little one. I think the room's kind of unisex, minus the little pink details, but yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.